पैलेस के गेट्स खुल के मुस्कुराए। मैं तो नहीं आ पाई, and for that I would like to apologize. But it'll be fun, and a lot of tea will be spilled, and about that there are no lies. Enjoy!
Honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, you know, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी, and she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया because I was like, it's a romance. That's so rare. That doesn't happen, and I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that can I get another episode? एक और episode कर करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी, and I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on, and I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia because there are so many shades in her. You know, she's powerful, she is stubborn, but that's the most beautiful thing about her. She's just strong, and she is nurturing, and she is loving, and I feel like there's a lot of those little nuances and aspects that I've picked up from all these wonderful women that I shared space with while shooting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Well, Bukhar mein shoot. How did I prepare, and was there an inspiration? I think the writers probably had references, inspirations, those which if I take the names, perhaps we will be shut down, so maybe I shouldn't. But all jokes apart, I think being that it's sort of a modern satire on modern royals, I think the inspirations were young royals, and beyond that, what was most inspiring to me was the inner world of this character, because on the face of it, you know, this is a very bingeable, snackable, fun show with all the fluff, with all the fun, with all the shimmer. But as you go deeper into it, you start seeing the inner world of these characters, and you start seeing the cracks, and there is meat on the bone. And as an actor, that was very exciting to me, is that you get to play both of these, you know, these aspects. Yeah, I think that's what was most inspiring to me. And then I had a very inspiring team. I was padded with a set of wonderful first women, which seems to be a recurring theme in my career. I think more than 50% of my collaborators in leading roles in you know, the roles of directors, cinematographers, have actually been women. So I'm kind of molded by women creators, and I think it made my job that much easier because I had that gaze to fall back on, and because it's a romance, I was just like, tell me what you need to do and I will have it delivered. So first of all, the inspirations were the creators. So big hat tip and salutes to all of you. The producers, the studio, the directors, lovely directors that we have, who walked with us hand in hand every step of the way. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And beyond that, what did I do to prepare and embody? Nothing. यार घुड़सवारी सीखी हमने. That was pretty exciting. We were told के हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy, which was a bit of a task. But happy to report that my brother and I, we did 2.5 months of training, but did all our stunts ourselves. So we're horse riders now, and we love it. And now I ride for passion. So that was one of the things. And बाकी show में देख लीजिए. Pritish Nandi, PNC team in back, I think September 2023, and they gave me these scripts, and there were 8 scripts, and they said कि you know, I said कि मुझे हफ्ता भर दे दीजिए, and I'll try and get back to you. I'll read them because there were 8 scripts. I didn't know how long they were, whether they were 60 pages, 100 pages. So they said take 10, and I read them in 1.5 days. So that's how bingeable this show really is.
Wow. First of all, I'm true blue royal sitting on the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college, I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, you know, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum, Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, you know, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting, but then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals. So I was like, really, they had a little, they had a leash and I was being controlled, but I really enjoyed it. I had a great time and I hope I come in the part 2 also of it. Thank you. And yes, I was a last moment addition. So while these boys learned polo in 2 months, they only gave me 2 days to learn polo. And I played with them. But that was a lot of fun. Thank you. Yeah.
When Rongita brought me this show, I was like, what are you giving me now? And hey Bhumi, how you doing? This is exactly what I do in the show. I'm Salahuddin, the Nawab of Alsipur, and he's a flirt. And he's chivalrous and charming. And he's crazy and he's whacked out. And there's a lot more of him in season 2. Hey Tanya, how you doing? But yeah, it was a fun ride. It was fantastic. I had a great time shooting it, especially Salahuddin. Can I tell them short for Salahuddin? I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay. So yeah, I had a laugh on this set, and most importantly, all these beautiful people, everyone has said about them is absolutely true. There's no lies. Except for, there's no lies. It was really good, so I had a great time, and I want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
And everybody right now is just echoing the sentiment that the salad is quite sumptuous.
The salad is yummy. Let's say that. You want some salad? You're on a diet now, Bhumi.
Okay.
I'm feeling so many things right now I can't explain.
This interview now is just Dino and everyone. That's it.
What is this new feeling I'm feeling?
Sumukhi?
Must go first. That's what.
I'll write to you.
You know, in the 90s, if you look at some of our superstars, they all have made their careers on the back of romance. And I feel today that genre is just not taken seriously. It's truly tough convincing people that you are in love with a stranger. And it's tough business. I don't know why do people not write enough, but I feel like there are always seasons. एक सीजन चल रहा था, मुझे लगता है प्यार का सीजन अब वापस आ गया है. बहुत and you can clap louder. Because I feel like in the midst of all the testosterone and all the आप समझ गए, I think it'll be nice. It'll be a breath of fresh air for royals to be here and मजा आएगा. And I really hope royals के साथ कहीं ना कहीं हवा बदले and और रोमांस लिखा जाए. मैं बहुत सारा रोमांस कर रही हूँ पिक्चरों में.
ईशान आप क्या कहना?
सर मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कहते हैं कि फेजेस होते हैं, साइक्लिक होती हैं चीज़ें. हमने इतने सारे रोमांस देखे हुए हैं और इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं कि शायद कुछ नया था नहीं कहने को, या फिर शायद क्रिएटर्स को ऐसे लगने लगा या ऑडियंसेस बोर हो गए. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गैप रहा है, सिग्निफिकेंट गैप रहा है, इतना कि लोग मिस कर पाएँ. लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं और लव स्टोरीज तो प्लीज़ गिव अस द encouragement and talk about it and push it out there. I think इस शो में ज़रूर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि एक नयापन तो है. I think there is so much more that makes the romance exciting than just the chemistry in between. It's also the characters in the story, and it's a very very fresh take on a royal and a commoner, and most people actually thought that this was maybe a period piece when there were early talks about royals, etc., etc. But I think that there is going to be a lot of freshness and newness to this. So maybe that's the reason. But मैं तो ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा. I've been saying for a long time that I want to be a part of love stories. I only got to do one tragic love story in the beginning of my career, and then it's been 7 years since. So I had a lot of fun. मैंने तो दिल भर के बहुत मजा लिया, and I think that this is testament to the fact that people want to see more. Yeah.
It wasn't easy at all because I, for the longest, have played characters that have been on the other side of the table. So I have always been an Am Kumari, and this was for the first time that I got to see this live. I have not even seen this live in real, forget about experiencing it. So I come from a very basic background. I have played characters that were close to my background, and it never sort of, took me any preparation to be able to portray them. So for the first time when I got a call and I was told that this is the character, I thought, no, this can't be true, because no, I've never played this, and it just doesn't seem real. And I was a Rani only for my mom, because from being her Bitya Rani to her Rani Beti, that's all, that was the closest I had come to being a Rani. But yeah, thanks. Thank you so much, Rongita. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you, the writer, the directors, to make me feel like one. And so when I was doing my first scene, I was very conscious because I didn't know how the royals think. Because for an actor, it's very important that what you're going to say, what you're going to do is at the back of your mind. And I had no clue, I had no reference point, nothing, and I started faking it. And that night I was very uncomfortable because I was like, no, I'm not getting it right, and this is not the character. And I had to stop thinking like who I am, and I had to start thinking like who I should be. And that's what I did. So from the time I did my makeup, which was of course again a very different thing. Rongita would insist that I put red lipstick and I would be like, no, please let me go with the neutral shades. And from there to the jewelry, to the costumes, I think the costume department did a fabulous job with it to make me look like one. And I think the jewelry also did its trick, its magic, because when you wore those sets, the jewelry, the earrings and the diamonds and all, somehow I think it sent a message to my brain that, oh, you're the queen. And I just carried that message with me when I went to the set. And yeah, pretty much that. So
how about shooting with Zeenat Aman?
Oh, I feel so fortunate. I feel so lucky that most of my scenes are with her. And she's an icon. She's a diva. She doesn't have to do anything. She is. Yeah. And I got to learn so much from her. I would just watch her, the way she would sit, the way she would talk. In fact, I learned so much from everyone over here, Ishan, Kavya, Vihan. No, really, because the way they carry themselves on the set, they're all the time they're joking, and just when they would say action, they would just get into the skin of the character, which took me the longest. for a lot of scenes, I would just sit quietly and they would think that, you know, maybe I am a quiet person, but I would be internally working like, no, 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 you're the queen, think like a queen, think like a queen. And I would not let them distract me, so I would just keep to myself. And Chunky sir, and it was beautiful. I think everything was so nice, and I'm glad that we're doing this today, and all those days of preparation, because for me every scene was a preparation, helped me do the walk today. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Sakshi.
For the generous praise. ये आपकी देखने का नजरिया है, दिल से तो हम आम कुमारियाँ ही हैं. I assure you. No, but really glad you enjoy the content on Netflix, and that's our endeavor to bring something new every month, every week, every night. I think there's not enough love in the air. I mean, very simply put, romance is a flavor. I think हमारी films, हमारी series very easily fold into larger story lines. अगर thrillers होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है, अगर epics होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है. तो romance is a part of Indian, art, Indian films, Indian series. But I think if you look at the trend that's been going around, and we've all enjoyed it in different languages too, Bridgerton, Nobody Wants This, Emily in Paris, these are all really breakout hits across the world. So why not have our own Indian version of that? Thank you. And have it in a way that is eminently Indian, like truly uniquely Indian, jahan you bring in the whole culture and the flavor of India through its royalty, and also bring in, our entrepreneurs who are really paving the path world over. Imagine the clash of these two potent worlds, one uniquely grounded within India and one that's traversing the world. So what is that clash like? And then at the same time, like everyone's really said, these characters speak to us very deeply. They are powerful, they're strong, they're romantic, but they're also really messy and they're very tender. And so they take you on a beautiful journey with them. And what else do you want at the end of an exhausting day? A beautiful journey that you can actually go on, and this romance takes you there. So we hope you love it, and thank you everyone for coming. Really, really glad you guys liked the trailer. Please do watch it on the 9th of May.
ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।